the most fabulous, the most wonderful relation on this earth, mother and a child. Bonjour, hola. Welcome to the next fun learning session of French and Spanish. Today we are going to record a bit different video because in this video we are going to cover French and Spanish vocab related to cow. We'll have great fun. You can see that we have reached here. It's Gaushala, or we can say cattle farm. But in French it is farm laitier. Farm laitier. Farm laitier. It's in French, it's farm laitier. And what about Spanish? In Spanish, it's granja lechera. Granja lechera. It's in Spanish, it's granja lechera. In French, it's farm laitier. Farm laitier. Okay. Here I want to mention that this cattle farm or granja lechera, farm laitier is not a high-tech gaushala or farm laitier. But these people, they use very traditional method for milking and for everything. And very important, these cows, there are so many cows, hundreds of cows are there, but they are not given hormones or any other injections for more production of milk. But it's all very natural. It's everything is organic and natural here, so that they can produce best milk ever. Okay, now let's get started. We are going to start this video and we are going to learn French and Spanish vocab related to cattle, cows. Okay. Nanu, you like cows, baby? Okay. Nanu, you know that cow in French, cow's baby is called veau. 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 In French, cow's baby is called veau. It's veau. Okay. And what about Spanish? In Spanish, cow's baby is called becerra. 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 Okay. She is my fear, and she loves becerra and she loves veau. So many cows are there. Okay. Okay, Nannu. You know, in French, cow is called vache. Yes, cow in French, cow is called vache. Okay. Okay, the beautiful picture. The beautiful picture, mother and the baby. The beautiful picture, the mother and the baby. Cow's baby in French is called veau, and in Spanish it is becerra. Cow in French is called vache. Vache. In French, cow is vache, and in Spanish, cow is vaca. 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 Cow in French is vache. In Spanish, cow is vaca. And cow's baby in French it's veau. In Spanish it's becerra. Okay, I'll show you some beautiful thing. Now we have here. See here, it is no baby. It's cow's fodder. In French, cow's fodder is called fourrage. In French, cow's fodder is called fourrage. In Spanish, it's called forraje. This is cow's fodder. In French, cow's fodder is called fourrage. In Spanish, cow's fodder is called forraje. Okay, we have done for Very, very important thing. He is the milkman. He is the milk. He is milking the cow. And what we can call him? He is laitier in French. The one who is milking the cow. You can see the milk here. The one who is milking the cow is called laitier. Laitier in French. Laitier in French. And in Spanish, he is called lechero. In Spanish, he is called lechero. In Spanish, one who milks the cow is lechero. And in Spanish, one who milks the cow is leche. 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 In French, one who milks the cow is laitier. 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 And in Spanish, one who milks the cow is lechero. Lechero. Okay, okay. The very healthy, nutritious milk. Okay, okay. The wonderful, we can say the gift of nature. It is milk. Milk. Milk in English. Lait in French. Lait in French. And what about Spanish? Leche in Spanish. Milk is lait in French. Leche in Spanish. Lait in French. Leche in Spanish. Okay. Okay, very important thing. It is, you can see that, yeah. Don't say she. No, once this material is sun-dried, then it can be used as a fuel. Once in French, this cow's poop is called bousse de vache. Nanu, come here. Nanu, you know something? Nanu is... Okay, in French, cow's poop is called bousse de vache. Bousse de vache. And in Spanish, it is called estercol de vaca. Estercol de vaca. Estercol de vaca. I hope that you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Happy learning.